Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Isee Hair Amazon. I haven't promoted them in a while, so I'm glad that they agreed to send me a curly wig, being that it is way too hot outside. So this is their Burmese curly wear go glueless wig. It's 100% human hair. It's a 9x6 T-part lace closure, and you guys will see what I mean by that in a few. It does come with the drawstring attached. The lace does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached, so it's perfect for beginners. It's 180% density, and I have this wig in 20 inches, I believe. Now, I'm going to give you guys a close-up of the wig and all the goodies that came with it, of course. So like it came with the wig cap, the comb, eyelashes, all that good stuff. This is what this Burmese curly hair looks like. I feel like I'm saying that in a weird way, I'm sorry. But this is what the curly hair looks like. As you can see, the ends are very defined. They just do like a nice little spiral thing. This is the lace, you guys, and I'm gonna flip it over. So this is what a T part means. So even though this is a 9x6, it basically means that you can kind of only do a middle part, which people like me, I don't really care. But if you're someone who likes to switch around your parts and all that good stuff, you might want to keep that in mind. So first thing I'm going to do is just use my wax stick to get the little hairs away from the lace. That way I have a clean space to work with. I'm going to tighten that drawstring, and that drawstring is going to tighten the entire wig cap. So this is what the lace is looking like without any product. Now this is advertised as a wear go wig, so as you can see, the lace is laying pretty flat. If anything, you would just need to add a little bit more foundation to make it blend in with the rest of your makeup. But you guys know I personally do like to add a little bit of spray on all of my lace, regardless if it's wear go or not. And then I also like to add foundation afterwards, so you guys will see that in a few. But I'm showing you guys what this hair looks like because it kind of comes out the box ready to go. You really don't have to touch it if you like the way that it looks, but for tutorial purposes, I am going to go ahead and wet the hair just a little bit and use some mousse to kind of separate the curls, give me a little bit more volume. It's also going to elongate the hair. I really want to show off that length a little bit more. And yeah, I just kept it pretty simple, and that's really all I did. Just water and mousse, you guys, water and mousse. Now, if you're wondering if I experienced a lot of tangling and shedding, I actually did not. The hair was very soft and very fluffy feeling. And then look, the shedding, I tried to show you guys on camera. You could barely see it. So I barely had any shedding with this hair, which is really good. The only thing I will say is that even though they're advertising this at 180% density, I kind of feel like you would have to fluff out the hair a little bit more to kind of get that fullness. Being that I'm going in with water and mousse, I'm just defining the hair a lot more, and it's elongating the hair. So I'm getting that length. But if you are a girl who likes big hair, you would have to go in with a comb, a wide tooth comb per se, and kind of just run through the hair to get it bigger, if that makes any sense. So right now I'm just going in with some more foundation to make sure the lace matches with the rest of my makeup. I usually go in with the cream foundation, and then I go in with like some powder over it. you know, because I kind of like to use like my contour powder on the lace a little bit just to make it seamless and really make it blend in with everything. And this is how it came out. So again, if you prefer big hair, all you have to do is run your hands through the hair a little bit more, or you can use a wide tooth comb and it'll kind of separate the curls a lot more. That way you're not having as much definition, but you're getting more volume. I personally wanted to show off the definition. Look how defined those ends still are. That's my preference, so it really just depends on what you are looking for. And if you're even lazier, like how I am most times, you probably wouldn't have even done all of this because the hair kind of came out pretty cute out the box, just had to touch up a few pieces. I would like to thank you guys so much for tuning in. All the information is in my description box down below, and I will see you guys next time.